enemy remaining. One enemy remaining.
Let's go!
Dude, you're a good team comp.
Your mom's a good team comp.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Relax, man.
That's okay, guys. Make room for John Cena. He's on our team. That's him right there, John C.
Is that really him?
Are you sure about that?
Okay, that guy's gotta get fucking muted right away.
Bruh.
Fucking rolled Chuck, dude.
Get out of here, man. Shit.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, that Soba's fucking cracked
Sorry,
out of his skull.
One enemy remaining.
Rushing rush.
Oh my god.
The fact that you can just do that is crazy.
I gotta report Chuck and I gotta mute him, dude. You watched me kill that Soba.
Yeah, you literally just, you Ferrari swung and kept going. Hit that man with the fattest drive-by of his life.
Yo, you wanna play in spawn?
One enemy remaining.
I'm
Last
one
one
out.
hit 44.
He's a window. Let's
Nice.
go! The dream team! I brained the shit out of them right there. I was like, they're gonna chase us. I'm gonna go through spawn. You had a perfect position here to bait. Oh my god, that was sexy. So good. I can blind default, blinding default. Default blinded. Default was blinded. He's slumber. He just deagled me.
Spike down. C.
Omen's still back sight.
Last player
They flanked you.
standing.
Oh, we know he's playing A-Link.
Cover going out.
She's on her flank. She's
One's
on her
heaven.
flank. She's on her flank.
CT.
Okay, he's landed. Nobody went short. I have my turn in 5 seconds.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
That's funny.
Try to pre-fire the corner. I'm not even there. I'm in the other corner.
He's on. Long.
Cover going out.
Behind you, Sova.
Like, I have to watch long. I have to watch flank. I have to watch.
I blind.
everything.
Do you have dart? How long are recon?
5. Chill.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Holy frick! This I hate teams. Why am I watching flank, long, and the site at the same time?
Yeah, what the fuck?
Where are any teammates?
Oh my god. Oh fuck.
You will not kill my ally.
Breach is grabbing my vandal long. Probably comes long flanks.
Off your feet.
In this.
Never mind, he pushed garage. Yo, just play time killjoy, you win this. That's two
Both
detained.
detained. Start running.
Both
They're both detained.
They're on site.
One enemy remaining.
He was on site. Might be behind.
If we lose this, I'm gonna cry.
Last player standing.
No, why?
Look at this dude.
Gosh, I hate when like it literally says 2 detained and everyone is so brain dead. Holy frick. Ah! Why? Why are people bad at the game?
Lucas like full
Well,
tilts, dude.
In
He's playing
that
as
situation,
friendly.
is 100% smarter to not push them and just play the time.
That's cap.
It makes no sense. No, it's not. Because we only knew one was on site and you called both. That was a lie.
I mean, 2 were detained.
It doesn't matter. If you don't know where the other one is, you only know where one is, right? You kill one, okay, by the time you push up long, the other guy flashes you, kills both of you easy.
You both have a point. It's not really close.
That's a yikes. If they're not on site, that means they're detained outside, like close to the outside of the circle, which means you're fine.
On one end, if you guys like started running right away, you easily clear it out. But like also like if you just wait, you also win the round. She had mollies on the bomb too.
Cover going out.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Enemy spotted C.
I think one's fine.
Blinding. Oh, I blinded you. That's shitty. I'm sorry.
Gosh, that shot guarded me for
One
9.
enemy remaining.
Oh man, unfortunate.
Okay. Who's got this?
I hate, yeah, dude. It's the little things, man. It really is.
Anyone have any splint.
Just like
and
reloading
air
in
jam
a
with
smoke,
fingers.
man. That's just not the
Multiple
move.
fingers.
No, it's just this
Alright.
rank. Like constantly today, I've been seeing things that I'm just like, guys. Like I got yelled at earlier when I was playing because the breach ulted. We were doing an A retake and he ulted in through A and we were slowed. And I was like, dude, we're slowed. And he's like, push, 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 push. He's like, and then we all died. And I was like, dude, we could not push off of that. Like,
Yeah, it's honestly like the communication is just like, hey man, we're slowed. Okay, I'll Phoenix or I'll breach ult in a little bit. Like you just literally, that's just the easy thing. Who's gonna be the better?
oh, you're getting
Better.
flanked too.
Oh,
Spike down. Attacker spawn.
Or like shit like that. Like I saw you droning, so I was like, I'm gonna go hold for him. And like other people would just let you die.
usually plays garage. Yeah. Gonna arrow C for us. Come on, please be a good arrow. Ah, that's Soren, boys.
What the fuck?
That's not even on the map, man. Probably long.
Solid molly from
John Cena.
He
Wait.
ult this?
John
Huh?
Cena.
He can live if he wants. We'll make a deal. I don't know. I'm more of a blue prime, but like the yellow prime isn't terrible anymore. Guys.
Nah, dude, the yellow prime slaps. It's definitely where it's at.
I don't even like
It has-
the blue prime, honestly.
You don't?
Yeah,
I
don't
used
know,
to. The blue prime used to be my favorite, but then the yellow's just so nice and vibrant.
Yellow.
I like
prime is
the-
good.
Watch them run. Shadows traveling.
They blinded me heaven. How to jump out.
Probably short. Oh, no, he doesn't.
What are you doing?
Jesus.
Gosh.
Shadows traveling.
One enemy
Oh,
remaining.
I fucked up my smoke.
Wait, so should we not say she anymore?
Why?
I don't think she is directly associated to Sinatra. It's like a bit.
Okay.
It's just the meme. I don't think you can use the meme. I think we can still say she.
Should we say it unenthusiastically?
She.
Wait, oh my gosh, this better not be another PogChamp situation. Like,
Can I get
holy
your
frick.
Vandal?
Attackers win.
Yikes.
Those guys were being really annoying at the beginning of the game, dude. He used the N-word. That's why I reported him. I called him a dick.
Oh,
I
yeah, who
don't-
was that anyway? I gotta report them.
Chuck, dude. It was Chuck.
Oh.
The guy 4'9" Sage.